Look, I ain't your dad. I'm not. But I'm here to try to make your days better. And the truth is that too many men, once they reach age 20, especially age 30, like, yo, you gotta stop doing some of these things, not only for your personal health, but just so you can succeed in life. Today, I'm gonna show you those 7 things I believe every dude just needs to stop. Let's hop into this. Number 1, you gotta stop skipping the gym. Like, there is just no excuse. Did you know that there's 168 hours in the week? You are telling me you can't take 5 of those 168 hours to go work on your personal health? That is less than 3% of your time during the week that you can't even invest into your health. Look, personally, I think instead of just 5 times a week, you should at minimum do 7 times a week. And I'm not telling you to do a hard workout every day, but you should do some sort of physical activity at least once a day. And on your rest days, it could be as simple as just going for a nice stroll, a nice walk, or maybe go cycling, go hiking, go play your favorite sport, go stretch, go do yoga. The point is, get active at least once a day. Number 2, going to sleep too late. I think men need to stop not prioritizing sleep. Like, when you're young, you just don't get it, but sleep is probably the most important thing you can do. It helps recuperate your body. This is when HGH, that human growth hormone that we all want to grow taller and grow stronger, at night, it's when most of it is produced to help recuperate your body. On top of that, this is when you let your brain rest so you can creatively think better and problem solve better the next day. Sleep is probably the most important thing in your life, and it's the one thing that too many men aren't prioritizing. Me, early on, I have been investing heavy in my sleep because I know how important it is so you can be a top performer in anything you want to do in life. And the best place to start, it's your mattress. Your mattress is not letting you sleep right. Mine is from Helix Sleep, and it is basically custom or selected for the way that I sleep. See, with Helix, they have a sleep quiz, which is dope, that determines what type of sleeper I am and then matches the perfect mattress to me. See, Helix understands that we are all different. And Helix knows this, so they make this sleep quiz that matches your unique body type, your unique preferences, how you like to sleep, and then shows you which mattress you should buy for those preferences. What ends up resulting? I've had my Helix mattress for well over a year, I think almost 2 years now, and what ends up happening is that you get your deepest, most comfortable sleep when you finally find a mattress that's made for you. For example, when I did my quiz, I'm a side sleeper and I like medium firmness, so I got matched with my Helix Midnight Luxe mattress that with this thing, I'm telling you, as soon as my head lays on the mattress, I'm out. I'm blacked out till the next morning and I get that deep, good sleep. Now, the best part about this is that Helix, all this gets delivered to your door in a compact box for free. It comes rolled up and you can easily install it yourself. It's actually kind of enjoyable doing the whole setup process and watching your mattress just expand. Now, if it makes you nervous to make such a big investment, the cool part is that Helix gives you a 100-night sleep trial, which means you get more than 3 months to sleep on your mattress, test it out, see why it's gonna change the way you sleep, and then after 3 months, if you don't like it, they'll pick it up for a full refund. Plus, Helix Mattress has a 10-year warranty and even offer financing and flexible payment options. So honestly, this good sleep, it's accessible to anybody. If you guys want to check out Helix, you guys can click the link down below or go to helixsleep.com/TMF and you can get up to $200 off of your first mattress. If you guys want to check it out, link's going to be down below. Number 3, you got to stop pressing that snooze button. This is important to build discipline. See, discipline is that one trait that's going to help you succeed in every area of your life, and you got to be disciplined on the little things, on the things that you don't even think about. And one of those is when you wake up. See, if you're determined to wake up at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. every morning, I want you to wake up exactly when you determined yourself to wake up and not hit that snooze button and stay in bed. See, when you can be determined on these little things, it's going to be an avalanche effect where you're going to carry that same trait onto the bigger things that are really going to pay off. Number 4, you need to stop going for coffee early in the morning. See, your body already naturally boosts your energy earlier in the morning to get started. I don't want you disrupting your body's natural process by juicing it up with even more caffeine. Instead, what I want you to do, get a tall glass of water. See, when you sleep, you wake up dehydrated, and dehydration will make you feel sluggish, will kill your energy level. So instead of disrupting your natural energy production process, grab a glass of water to hydrate your body and boost that process. Number 5, blaming everybody for not having money. This whole hatred against the rich, it really will do nothing for you. You have to understand that since the beginning of time, since basic modern knowledge, since history has been able to be documented, there has always been certain group of men that have amassed large amounts of resources and the other group doesn't get the same share. The interesting thing is that it doesn't matter how much you kick, scream, and say that it's unfair, you're just not going to change it. And any sort of solutions that have been tried in the past have failed miserably, which means you have to stop hating the game and start understanding how to play it. So I don't want you to hate reality, I want you to learn how to play it. Your mentality, it should not be, I hate them, it should be, if they got it, what do I have to do to get it too? Number 6, still relying on mommy and daddy. Look, after a certain age, it takes a certain level of discipline, creativity, and problem-solving skills to become fully financially independent. All of which, those traits, are great predictors of how successful you're gonna be later in the future and with women. And finally, number 7, here's an easy one. Men need to stop using Axe. Like, bro, this is not a respectable fragrance. And trust me, women know because you smell like a locker room. The truth is that once you become a man, after you're 18, I want you to save money and buy yourself an EDP, an EDT, or a parfum, eau de toilette or eau de parfum, something that has an oil base and it's actually made for men. I'm telling you, you're gonna smell like money and the difference will be noticeable. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Helix. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.